During this movie, we'll demonstrate the Miller's Design Market website and templates. Miller's has teamed up with the finest professional designers in the industry to create our online template store for professional photographers. From the Miller's website, click on the Toolkit link and then select the Design Market from the list. Scroll down the page for details and ideas of how to use the templates. To visit the Design Market website, click on the Shop Design Market button. And here's the Design Market website. At the top of the page are links we can click for additional information. Be sure to review the contents of each link. Click on the Products link for a list of the templates categorized by Miller's products. Select the Designer link to view a list of template designers. And finally, for this demonstration, we'll choose the Seniors option from the Occasions link. Scroll through the templates or click on the icon for an overview of a particular template. Click on a bundle icon to view the contents of the bundle. Bundles are a great way to purchase several templates at once and save money over purchasing templates separately. To purchase a template, click on the Add to Cart button and then proceed to checkout. Once the transaction is complete, a link to the templates will be provided to download our purchase. Once we have downloaded the templates, open the Photoshop files to begin creating our project. Scroll down the list of layers and locate the blue visibility icon. Click on this icon to locate the corresponding image node and graphic on the template. Once located, hide the graphic layer and click on the Clip Image to this layer below the graphic. To add a photo to this layer, select a tab of the photo to be added to the template. Then, from the Select menu, choose All. From the Edit menu, choose Copy to copy the image to the computer's clipboard. Return to the Template tab, make sure the clipped layer is still highlighted. From the Edit menu, choose Paste to add the copied image to the clipped layer. Our photo will appear in the image node. For all remaining image nodes, repeat this process of selecting, copying, and then pasting the photos to the template. Once the photos are added to the template, we may need to adjust the size of the photo to the image node. To adjust the photo's size, choose Free Transform from the Edit menu. A wireframe representing the edges of the selected image will now be visible. We need to see the edges of the image, so choose Fit on Screen from the View menu. Place the pointer in a corner of the wireframe, hold down the mouse button, and then Shift-Alt keys on a PC or Shift-Option keys on a Mac. This key sequence will allow us to resize the image both vertically and horizontally at the same time. If needed, click on one of the sides of the wireframe to rotate the image to fit the image node. Use the Move tool to reposition the image inside the opening. When finished, press the Enter or Return key to lock in our resizing of the image. Repeat the Free Transform steps for other images placed on the template. To change the text on the template, click on a text layer from the Layers palette. Select the Text tool from the Tools bar. Click and highlight the text to be modified. If the designer used a font in the template that is not on our computer system, we'll see this warning message. We'll see the font used and an option to substitute a font by simply clicking OK. Or click Cancel to locate the font online, download it, and install the font on our computer. To use a new font in our project, click on the Character and Paragraph panels icon here. Click on the menu icon in the top right corner of the Character panel and select Reset Character. We will now be able to use the new font in our project. As with any project, be certain to save your work periodically. On the first save of the project, input a different name to prevent the template from being overwritten. Once the template is finished, save the project as a JPEG file. Set the quality to the maximum level of 12 and click OK. Now you have a JPEG file of the template with our photos. Use the Miller's Designer Plus or Rose ordering programs to order your custom product.